Very good afternoon to 100% here. I am Professor Raja, working as Assistant Professor ECE, SNS College of Technology, an autonomous institution Coimbatore. In this YouTube video, I am going to discuss about 23 ECT 221 microprocessors and microcontroller subject under the topic peripheral interfacing. So we know that we have to interface any external component with microprocessor or microcontroller through either a serial format or a parallelic format. Now I am going to discuss about 8255 programmable peripheral interface, or simply it is called as parallel communication interface. So this is look like this pin. So it is called the 40 pin dual inline package IC. It is made by Intel with the name of 8255. Mainly it is useful to communicate a parallel data. So the 8255 chip is also called as Programmable Peripheral Interface. The Intel's 8255 is designed for use with Intel's 8-bit, 16-bit and higher capability microprocessors. The 8255 is a 40-pin integrated circuit IC designed to perform a variety of interface functions in a computer environment. It is flexible and economical. This is the pin diagram of 8255. And this is the signal diagram of 8085. From left hand side top to bottom, D0 D7 is called the data bus pin, available for 8-bit transfer. CS is the chip select. RESET is called reset button. A0 A1 are called address line. RD bar WR bar is used for read and write operation. PA0 to PA7 that are used for transferring a address of data through a port A. PC4 to PC7, it's a upper bit used to transmit output in C port. PC0 to PC3, lower order of bits in port C value. PB0 to PB7, which is the 8-bit data which is used in port B side. VCC and ground are used to provide a proper power supply to 8255. The 8255 has 24 input and output lines which may be individually programmed. Two groups of input-output pins are named as Group A, which consists of port A fully and port C upper part. Group B, which consists of port B fully and port C lower part. 3 ports are available in this 8255. Port A lines are identified by symbols PA0 to PA7. Port B lines are identified by the symbol PB0 to PB7. Port C lines are identified by PC03 to PC04, then PC04 to PC07. So now we will see individually. So this is the general block diagram of this 8255. As I told earlier, this consists of 4 important sections. One is called data bus buffer, which consists of D0 to D7. Second is called the read-write control logic. Third one is the group A controller, and the fourth one is the port A, port B, port C controller. Now we will see one by one. So in main D0 to D7, it is a data input and output lines for the device. All information read from and write to 8255 occurs via these 8 data lines. CS bar is a chip select button. If this line is a logical 0, the microprocessor can read and write to the 8255. That is, when this pin is turned into higher mode or 1, then there is no connectivity between 8255 and a microprocessor. So whenever this pin is at 0 condition or lower mode, then only the 8255 and the microprocessor are going to be connected. RESET, the 8255 is placed into its reset state if this input line is a logical one. RD bar, this is the input line driven by the microprocessor and should be low to indicate read operation to 8255. WR bar, this is an input line driven by the microprocessor. A low on this line indicates write operation. A1 to A0, these lines are the address input lines and are driven by the microprocessor. So control logic, that is chip select signal. Chip select signal is the master slave chip select. A0, A1 specify one of the 2 input output ports. So depend upon this variations of this A0, A1, the ports are alternatively they are chosen. So first chip select is 0, A1 is 0, A0 is 0, then port A is selected. Chip select is 0, A1 is 0, A0 is 1 means port B is selected. Chip select is 0, A1 is 1, A0 0 means port C is selected. Chip select is 0, A1 is 1, A0 is 1, control register is selected. If chip select 1 is chip select is 1, then 8255 is not selected. So far in this YouTube video, I give the basic introduction of 8255 and what are the signals and pin diagrams are available in 8255. Now, in the next YouTube video, I will discuss detail about how these 8255 individual parts are working. Thank you for watching my video.